Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of our project eCampus. Myself, Shlok Daga, along with my colleagues Vinay Paskanti, Akshay Kurtarkar and Supreet K. Before starting the demonstration, let us discuss what led us to develop this application. Behind every application, there is a motive of developing it. Every application is developed to address certain set of issues or make it easy to use.
So the idea behind the development of eCampus was all the notes and notices are sent to the student by the teacher via the class representative. If in case there is any issue with the mobile device of class representative, the student won't get the notices and notes on time. Student need to stand in queue for a long time during the course registration process as it is done for one student at a time. So all other students need to wait for their turn. To address these issues and also focus on some important curricular activities, eCampus was developed.
We have divided the application into 4 working modules: admin, teacher, student and guest. Guest has the information about college and department. Student carry out course registration and view their result notes and notices. Teacher updates results, upload notes and notices from students. Admin handles the registration and database of students.
Without any delay, let us demonstrate the application. Beginning with the splash screen, where we have the modules included in the application that are guest, student, teacher, admin. We can click skip or get started button, which will direct us to the home page. In home page, we have additional options button. On clicking the first one, we will get the vision and mission of the institute. Next one will give the gallery where several pictures related to the computer engineering department are put to display. The last one includes the information about the developers of the application and its version. Let's begin the demonstration of each module, starting with the admin module. The login credentials of admin are hard-coded. This is the instructions page where we have mentioned duties of admin. This is the navigation drawer for admin module. The first item included in it is about college. The next one is about department, followed by course registration, which will be seen simultaneously with the student module as the student does course registration and admin views it. The last menu item in admin module is student registration, where the admin sets the credentials for students, which they can use to log in through the student module. After completing all the activities, the admin can click the logout button, which will direct him to the home page.
The next module which we are going to discuss is the student module. As we saw previously in the student registration part of admin module, we have to enter those credentials here so that the student can log into the application. This is the home page where we have instructions about the duties of student within the application. The first menu item is about college, where we have mentioned the history of our college. The next item being about department. Here we have mentioned the history of our computer engineering department. The idea behind having these two items was to make the student aware about the history of institute and the department. Now we have course registration. Student can do the course registration on their own by selecting the semester which they are appearing. Let's select semester 5. Here we already have the subject names written. We can edit them or directly register without editing by entering our enrollment number. Now, the same process can be repeated if the student is appearing for semester 6.
Let us see the part which we skipped during the demonstration of admin module, that is course registration. As we just saw that the student registered in semester 5 and 6, let's view them from the admin module. Just we have to do is enter the enrollment number and click on view button. The same process can be repeated if the student is registered for semester 6.
The next three menu items are result, notes, notices. These three will be explained simultaneously with teacher module. After completing all the tasks, student can hit the logout button to go back to the home page.
The next module which we are going to demonstrate is the teacher module. The login credentials of the teacher are hard-coded. This is the home page where we have instructions about the duties of a teacher within the application. The first menu item in the navigation drawer is about college. The second menu item in the navigation drawer is about department. In this section, we have information of the department. The next part is result. Let's select semester 5. The duty of filling the result is given to the class teacher. Since the class teacher has the result of each student, the thing he or she has to do is enter appropriate enrollment number and marks of the student for each subject. If the student has appeared for semester 6, the same process has to be followed. Now, let us see one of the parts which we skipped during the demonstration of student module, that is result. As we just saw that the teacher has entered marks in semester 5 and 6, let's view them from the student module. Just we have to do is enter the enrollment number and click on submit button. Repeat the same process for viewing the marks of semester 6. The next menu item followed is notes. Here, teacher has to mention the name of the subject or the chapter name number of which the notes are being sent. Then simply select the PDF from their device and upload it. Let us view this from the student side as well. Click on view notes. We can see software testing which was just uploaded at the teacher side. Click on it so that you can view the PDF. You can also download the PDF. The last part of teacher module is notice. Here, a teacher uploads notice regarding the institute or department. All the teacher has to do is mention the date on which the notice is being sent and enter the matter properly. Now, let us focus on the notice menu item from student module. On clicking view notice, the notice uploaded recently will appear on the top. After completing their task, teacher can hit the logout button to go back to the home page.
So the next and last module of our application is guest module. For guest module we don't need any credentials, as a guest can be any person outside the institute. So this is the navigation drawer of the guest module. The first item in it is about college. Here, as we saw in all other modules, we will provide the information about the college. Next we have about department. Here we have information about the computer engineering department of the college. Followed by admission process menu item, where we have the information of how a student can apply for a diploma course. Student can join diploma post SSC or post HSC. To apply, they can follow the guidelines mentioned in the application. Last menu item is the fee structure of the institute. Here we provide the fee structure for students based on their reservation.